Hey, welcome to a fresh new episode of TD News Show and happy Wednesday, everybody. And today I am very late for this video, so let's start. And let's start the show with AMD because they are selling bikes now. Yes, they are selling bikes. You can go to amdfandom.com or something like that. I will link down in the description, so you can go to that website and then you can buy a bike at the price of $300. But I am going to be 100% honest with you. The white and orange color version of that bike looks pretty damn sweet. And talking about pretty sweet, some news and rumors are coming about AMD's big Navi. A new tweet from Crotex tells us that the 16 gigabytes version of the Big Navi is going to be priced at $550 and the 8 gigabyte version is going to be priced at $499.
Hey guys, editing Akash here, and there are some news while I was editing this video that Big Navi could come tomorrow. Frank Azor teased that something might be coming tomorrow. So I got this news while I was editing, so I thought you might need to know this, and I would include this story on the news video. So yeah, that's it.
Previously, they were priced at a 599 and 499 respectively, but now after Nvidia's launch, they thought, okay, let's make it cheaper because the competition is going to be great. Now, here is my prediction. I think AMD is still going to fight for that budget to mid-tier cards. They are not going to go against the 3080 or the 3080 Ti. I think the 16 gigabyte version is going to be probably set between the 3070 and the 3080, like close to 3080 but not beating 3080. But at the same time, then if like 3070 and their 8 gigabyte version Big Navi priced at the same, then I think everybody's gonna pick AMD because everybody's gonna pick Nvidia because AMD's drivers and all the support issues and not really that much good. So I don't know, so the cards aren't out yet, so take everything with a grain of salt. A new Easter egg found on Fortnite which tells us that the next generation AMD cards are going to be called RX 600 or 6000. So you can go to AMD's new map, like which map that AMD created in Fortnite, and do some specific things. Then you can find Easter egg which like something goes to the lines of something big is coming. So yeah, I really don't play Fortnite. Like I tried it once or twice, then I'm like, it's not my kind of thing. So yeah, if you play Fortnite, then go to YouTube, search something like AMD Easter egg in Fortnite, and you will find some step by step guide or some videos about the Easter egg. So yeah, that's if you play Fortnite and you want to know more about AMD stuff or find a Easter egg, so go and do that. And talking about go and doing that, let's talk about our quick news because this is the time for the quick news. Xbox Series S is official and going to cost $299. Xbox Series X will reportedly cost $499 and will arrive at November 10th. The Witcher 3's free next-gen upgrade will include lots of improvement. Cyberpunk 2077 have more DLCs than The Witcher 3. EA pulls off ad from UFC 4 after complaints from fans. Minecraft PSVR support is coming this month. Apple officially announced Apple Watch and iPad virtual event for September 15. Now that was all for today's techie stuff. Now let's talk about some of the stuff I like, starting with Star Trek. New trailer recently launched of Star Trek Discovery, the season 3. But here's the thing, I'm not a huge Star Trek fan, and when I tried to find the trailer, it wasn't on YouTube. Like official version wasn't on YouTube, so I don't know what really happened. So I will link down an article, go and read it. They talked about some new stuff that's coming in at Star Trek, coming at Star Trek Discovery. It's from Engadget, so go and check it out. Now let's talk about the last bit of our news, and that is Shenmue. So there is a new or there is going to be a new Shenmue anime coming. Now, if you don't know what Shenmue is, it's a video game series, and it was like it goes way back, and it was one of the first game which like defined open world and storytelling in video games. And the first one was really good. The second one is good. Third one, the story or like the gist of the story is good. Like I'm a little bit of a fan of Shenmue. Like I'm not saying I'm a great fan, but I'm a little bit of like I like Shenmue, the whole series. So yeah, the Shenmue 3 is like a little bit lackluster, but if you want to play like, or if you want to know the story or the ending of that story, which uh again, it didn't like, it was kind of a plot twist at the end, but yeah, I'm not gonna spoil anything. So yeah, Shenmue, the story of Shenmue is really great, and I'm looking forward for the series, man. If like they took that original story which we have seen from the Shenmue video games throughout the years, or three games, and then make it a anime, or like make more episodes from that, or like add a story, add elements, anime elements to the game, then yeah, it's gonna be great. And the story is pretty good, and already the game looks kind like mostly anime. So yeah, I don't think the like they can like the style is going to be pretty similar, and it has a lots of fighting and sparring, and yeah, I'm excited for the anime series if it get greenlit, or it's look like it's going to be get greenlit, or it's on the making. And also people from One Punch Man are also behind this series. So yeah, it kind of is setting a high bar for it. Like it's like not something like, honestly, I'm not into anime that much, so commenting anything about anime, it just doesn't feel right. But like, I'm one of those guys who love anime, or who knows anime because of huge western success of Pokemon, Dragon Ball Z, Beyblade. Rather than that, honestly, I haven't watched a lot of animes. So, and you also don't have to watch this episode anymore, because this episode is ending. Yes, this is the end of this episode. Yes, just close it. But before that, leave it a like if you liked it. If you don't liked it, then leave it a dislike. Although that hurts. That hurts bad. That hurts, man. That let's be happy. Let's don't talk about pain. And if you want to watch more videos from us, you can check this video right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I know you want to, I'll do it by here. Here is a shiny little subscriber button. Press it. And this is Akash, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.